Hey, this is Tracy Lewis with Stuff and Things. I have another card today. I'm trying to get these to be a little bit faster. My last two videos were a little bit on the long side. This one is... I'm getting the name. It is Sweet Citrus. Yep, Sweet Citrus. I did it grapefruit style. I really like how it came out. I believe the question was, is it Flirty Flamingo or is it Calypso Coral? There's a third color. Or is it Polished Pink? There are three good grapefruit colors, and I believe I went with Flirty Flamingo. But I think any of the three colors, Libby and I had the debate and discussion, and any of the three colors will work. I used crushed curry, I believe. And on the very end here, you can see I did sponge with a finger dauber, a little bit of extra pink. I didn't re-ink this with the yellow. I just added a soft sponging of the Flirty Flamingo to give the end of this that slight pink hue that you can get from the grapefruits. Colored the flowers. These sprigs are from a new set. I should have gotten it out. I'll have it on the supplies list because it's not coming to me right now. I believe the deal was that the person whose pin we looked at for doing this, they used something that's now retired. At that point, I had moved all of my retired stamps and dies far away from my desk on the other end of the room. So I went ahead and just dug through what my new stuff is. And of course, now I don't have it. So I will add that to the supplies list for you. I went ahead and did fishtail ends on each side, have a Zesty birthday. Now, if you're wondering what the little bit of this white that seems to be colored, that's exactly what I did. That was the technique done on the pin, and I liked how the green, when I used, it was Granny Apple Green, and I did some sponging, but I wasn't careful. I could have even done some splatter, and I toyed with that, but I had already done that. We did the Queen Bee monochromatic already, so I didn't want to replicate that technique. I wanted to be a little different, so in this case, I went ahead and I didn't want this to be white, but I didn't want it to be so bright as the Granny Apple Green piece behind that, which uses stitched rectangles. I also did in the corner of the Granny Apple Green leaves, I went back through and I did the same thing with, you can see the Flirty Flamingo. If you look carefully, I used Garden Green. Oh, this one shows up really well on the camera. So it goes from Garden Green out to Granny Apple Green. And then, of course, I have the yellow behind. I believe that is Daffodil Delight. I did these cards a couple weeks ago now, trying to remember all of the elements. And I think it's the first time I did use the special embossing treatment. My other cards that I have, yeah, so I'm staring at another Zesty birthday that I've already done the video for. It's in Evening Evergreen and Daffodil Delight. And it does not have the segment detailing or the dots on the rind, and so I really like that. That is a wonderful, nice finished look to it. You'll see I don't have any trim on. I'm still toying with trim. What do you guys think? I'm trying to embrace, if a card looks complete without either trim or bling, I'm trying to let it go. Because historically, I always have to have some sort of embellishment bling-wise and trim-wise. So if you guys think, because I mean, I could see that you could add any kind of a knot or a bow or baker's twine, but I'm trying to not have to always have both pieces on if the card is strong enough by itself. So let me know your thoughts. And then I do have the AB gemstones. And that is it for this one. That's good. I did that in about 5 minutes. Yay for me. All right, so that's all I've got. Please leave your comments, questions, or concerns on this video. I will have all of the supplies over on my blog. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.